So today in this session, we are going to talk about traffic-related words. This is a vocabulary lesson. Let's start. Traffic or traffic jam. Traffic. Okay, traffic. Next word, vehicle. Sakyanan. Sakyanan. So vehicle could be a car, a truck, anything. As long as it is a vehicle, we say sakyanan. Okay, sakyanan. Lane, linya, linya, linya. Next, motorcycle, motor, motor. Okay. Let me go back mga higala. For vehicle, if it's a car, we call it auto, auto for car. Okay. Then, yeah, we're done. Motorcycle or motorbike, we just say motor, motor. And then, wheel or wheel is ligid, ligid. Wheels, mga, ligid. So, mga is the plural marker. So, mga, mga. So, ligid is wheel, wheels is mga, ligid. Next one, road or street, calzada. Okay, this is a Spanish term, calzada. And then others we say dalan. Okay, these are the variation, dalan or dan. We don't pronounce the letter L, we just say dan. Next one, curve. It's like, you know, the curved side of the road. We call it corbada, corbada. Next one is lights, suga, suga. Okay, so suga can also mean electricity. Okay, so lights or electricity, we call it suga. Next one is corner, esquina, esquina. Okay, corner is esquina. Next one, intersection. Still intersection, but the spelling will become like this. Intersección, intersección. And then we just pronounce it as almost the same as the English term, intersection. Next one, highway. It's still the same, highway. It's like, some would pronounce it like this, highway, highway. But me, I normally say highway, highway. Okay, next one, pedestrian, pedestrian, pedestrian. Okay, pedestrian. Next one, accident, accidente, accidente, accidente. Bicycle, bicicleta, bicicleta. Bicicleta for bicycle. Next one, truck, 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 truck. Okay, truck. Next one, jeep, jeep, jeep. Okay, so the spelling is like this, mga igala, D-Y-I-P. All right. Next one, parking is just the same, parking. Parking, parking. So the R sound is more rolled, okay? Parking is more pronounced, parking. Seatbelt, okay? Still seatbelt, the same lang. It's just the same, seatbelt. Maybe the pronunciation is a little bit more on the E sound, seatbelt, seatbelt. Okay? Okay, next one. Driver, 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 driver. Okay. Next one, motorist, motorista, motorista. Normally we use this for plural, for, you know, people who are driving, motorista. This is very common on, you can really hear this word on TV news, newspaper, and formal settings. Motorista. But if you're referring to the driver of a certain motorbike, we just say driver. Driver. Honk. Honk is serbato or silbato. I'm used to serbato. Okay, sometimes pipip, like this, just pipip. Okay, serbato, silbato, or pipip for honk. There. Next one, we have fast, paspas. Okay, paspas for fast. Next one is slow, hinay. Hinay, slow, hinay. Okay. You can also use hinay for like if you want the person to take it slow. Hinay lang, just take it slow. Hinay lang. All right. Okay, before we go with our quick review, mga higala, this is my new word search book. It's already available on Amazon. So if you're into word search, you can already buy it there. And these are my other books available as well on Amazon. Flashcards is available on my website. Okay, so now let's go to our review. Very quick review. Okay, the first one we have traffic or traffic jam, traffic. Vehicle, sakyanan. Lane is linya. Motorcycle, motor. Wheel, ligid. Road or street, kalsada. Other variation is dalan or dan. Okay. Curve, kurbada. Lights, suga. Corner, esquina. Accident, aksidente. Bicycle, bisikleta. Truck, truck. Jeep, jeep. Parking, parking. Seatbelt, seatbelt. It's just the same. Driver, driver. Motorist, motorista. Fast, paspas. Slow, hinay. Intersection, intersection. Highway, highway or highway. Okay. Pedestrian, pedestrian. Honk, serbato or silbato or pipip. Okay. So again, in this session, we're just going to tackle these vocabularies. And then the next session, we'll talk about phrases. And then let's move on to sentences. So if you are my patron of my website, you can actually access this one. Just go to lesson library here and just go to live stream. So you can access the lesson notes and the test yourself link if you want to study and test yourself more. Okay? So that is all mga higala for this episode. Daghang salamat. Bye mga higala.